Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did an Ulta haul yesterday and I picked up some really cool things. Just some new products that I was sort of searching for. I was just browsing around and just picked out some things that I haven't heard people talk about. So I did like this full look here. Yeah, I did some base products, some lip products, setting sprays, so stay tuned. I just thank every single one of you guys for subscribing, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and maybe leave me some love in the comments. Guys, just did a little haul in Ulta. We got some new drugstore products. I just was kind of browsing around. Haven't heard about any cool drugstore like anything quite yet, so I picked up the Morphe. I've never heard of this, the luminous setting spray. It's gotta be new. They had the mattifying spray that I did not pick up because my skin is pretty dry. So I picked up the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Silk Foundation. Guys, we got some highlights, some blush. You can't see it because of the sun. We got some nice lipstick. I've never tried the I Heart Revolution. Some setting powder by Catrice. I love Catrice, but I never tried their powder. And then we got some Essence mascara, which I live and die by all their mascaras. So I kind of just bought this one because of the name. It said, what the fake? So we're gonna check it out. By the way, filming in a parking lot is a lot weirder than everyone thinks. Nobody talks about how strange that is. I literally have my wallet set behind my steering wheel just so I could talk to you guys, and I feel like people are staring, and I pulled to the very back of the parking lot because I'm awkward and don't want people to see me filming, but there's people walking by anyways, so. Alrighty, so the product I'm most excited about today is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Silk Foundation Elixir. Now guys, I just reviewed this foundation, the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, in my last video, and I was reading about it like after I made the video, and everyone's saying it's being discontinued and it's only going to be sold at Walmart, etc, etc. I mean, I went to Walmart yesterday, I went to Ulta, I did not see it in any of the stores, so I'm really praying that it's not going to be discontinued, because guys, I seriously love this formula. This is such a great foundation. This foundation works for all my skin needs, dry, oily, everything. So we're going to put the test of this foundation. I have never heard anyone talk about this. This is new. It claims to be an ultra nourishing, ultra fluid, weightless organic foundation. It says it delivers a silky second skin airbrush dewy finish. So I'm not sure if that means light coverage, medium coverage, full coverage, but it says shake before usage here. It comes with a dropper, so I'm just going to place that on the back of my hand here. I'm not even sure how much to use, so I'm just going to take a bit there. Oh, it's super watery. And I'm taking my sponge. I know it looks pretty dirty, but I just cleaned it. And now I've already primed, moisturized, the whole works here. It looks pretty glowy. Coverage, probably like a light medium. Could be the sponge soaking up a lot of the product though. I usually don't use a brush all the time. I mean, I will. I'm trying to get like a full coverage, but most of the time I just wanted to blend right into the skin, so. I actually have a concealer that's not new to me. It is drugstore. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'm just gonna put that right under my eyes here. This concealer kind of reminds me of the Shape Tape by Tarte. It's very full coverage, so I'm not gonna put terribly too much. Just gonna put that right under your eyes here. And then we're just gonna cover those. Going back in with the sponge. And I will say this concealer does blend out very quickly. I mean, blended, you know what I mean? Like, it's very easy to do. I'm just not sure how I 100% feel about this concealer yet. I definitely have other favorites. It's good though, it's good. I have a new powder. I have the Catrice HD Baking and Setting Loose Powder. Now this looks pretty cool because I love anything by Catrice, so we're gonna give this a shot. Perfect, it's got the sifter inside of it, so the product doesn't have to go completely everywhere. So I'm just gonna dunk a little into my pan. Just gonna smooth out any creases, and for now, I'm just gonna set under the eyes. I'm gonna let the foundation sink into my skin a little bit more before we go ahead and apply powder. Definitely gave a mattifying look under the eyes. We're gonna see how well that goes on top of the dewy foundation here when I go ahead and set the cheeks and stuff. Well, it could be a disaster. I'm always worried about new setting powders and new foundations, how they kind of clash into each other. But right now I'm gonna do brows and eyes because I don't have those two products at all here for you guys. So I'm just gonna speed through that and we'll be right back. Yeah, I just did a basic look here. Nothing too insane, but I just went in with the Kathleenlights Zodiac palette. It's not drugstore, but it is Colourpop, and Colourpop is sold in some Ultas. So, I mean, okay, I'm gonna go back in with that setting powder and set the rest of my face here, probably just the cheeks. I am liking the dew here. The dew is really pretty here. I get so dry here, so I'm probably just gonna leave that and see what type of glow that keeps throughout the day. So I'm just going back in with my sponge and dipping it into the powder here. I'm just gonna set the cheek area. It's a very mattifying powder, so I don't know if I'd use it on top of this foundation. I mean, if you want your foundation long lasting, I would use like a matte foundation and then a matte powder, not meaning that you have to stay matte, but you can always spray it with like a dewy mist. Dewy foundation mixed with matte powder. I'm not sure how I feel about this. But this is a nice powder, I will say that. All right, now I have this highlighter here by Wet n Wild. I heard that their highlights are beautiful, so this is the Hello Halo blush highlighter. It says new, so I picked it up, and it's in the shade, just says Mega Glow Hello Halo blushlighter. I don't know, maybe there's not a shade. Actually, there was a couple different shades there, so I picked up the lightest one. I'm not sure. Yeah, I really don't know why it doesn't say a name on here. But it is a duo here, so I am going to go and open it up and then go in and do blush on top of my cheeks here. So I'm going to take it and dip into the blush side and see what type of blush we can get going here. Might be really glowy, but that might be okay on top of the matte skin here. Again, going in with the Luxie 514 blush brush. And I'm going to probably be decently careful and just dip into here. So pretty light. Maybe it's more of a blush topper, like take a blush underneath and then top it off. Just really gonna build that up here. I do like a lot of blush. I think blush is really pretty. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this is probably more of a blush topper. I'm probably gonna go in and add a little bit of blush here, just like another one, and then maybe top it off with this one again on top of there. Okay, so I'll go in with the Milani, still drugstore. This is the Milani Blossom Time Rose Powder Blush. I love this blush. It's so pretty. It's such a pink, great pink shade. So just gonna take that and pop it on the cheeks a little more. Yeah, that just helps give more color. So I did not pick up a new bronzer, so I'm just going to use one of my other drugstore bronzers here. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Yeah, I'm getting close to pan here, so you can probably see how much I use that. I think it's definitely a YouTube classic here. So I'm just going to sculpt out the face really fast, and I will use the other side of that highlighter. Okay, now I feel like this might take the star of the show. I'm going to go in with this highlighter here. A little more powdery than what I was thinking. I thought it'd be more of like a chrome type of look. Alright, so this is probably what I'm most excited about. This is the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. It says Glow Get It. Infused with coconut water, glycerin, and apple extract. Hydrating spray that sets your makeup and seals in moisture, leaving with a glowy finish. So I'm 100% down for this. I still definitely love the Set and Refresh Mist by Morphe, so we're gonna put the two to the test. I was spraying this in Ulta. The mist looked pretty nice, so let's give it a shot here and see how much glow we can get. Smells amazing. Definitely can smell the apple in it. That's what I pick up of the scent. Yeah, it definitely gave the face a nice glow. Yeah, we'll see how much that stays throughout the entire day. I don't see any glitters in here, which I know a lot of glow sprays like to put like glitter, etc. in here, but Morphe always kills it pretty much with everything. So I'm gonna say they probably listened to our fellow YouTubers and didn't add glitter in there. So I picked up the Essence What the Fake mascara. I love their two other mascaras. The two Lash Princess mascaras by Essence are bomb. Literally the green one is so bomb. So I picked up this one. There was literally probably like 15 of these mascaras, like different types of them. Lash Princess, this, and that. And I also was going to pick up the Essence Lash Primer, but they were completely out of that. So that must be pretty good. I'm going to have to get that soon. So it says it's a mascara with fake volume and lash effects. Volumizing and lengthening mascara. All right, well, I'm down for that. So we're going to do a couple coats of this and see where that takes us. Lashes are on. I do like that mascara. Very pretty. So I usually layer like two mascaras on top of each other. So I'm gonna have to test out this mascara, maybe layered with the other Lash Princess on top of it. Probably is a bomb combination. So yeah, we'll just kind of check back on that one. I do have a new lipstick, and I have never tried the Revolution or I Heart Revolution or the Revolution Pro. Look, I don't know if those are all combination, but it's all in the same aisle, so I'm just gonna go with yes. So I picked up the I Heart Revolution Vinyl Cherryaid liquid lipstick. So I thought this was very beautiful. I love a liquid lip. I usually like the Colourpop lipsticks, probably the best. They stay on the best on my lips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on a liner. I'm gonna take the Colourpop liner in the shade I Heart This, and I'm just gonna line my lips, and we'll be right back to top it off with the lipstick here. Yeah, very pretty packaging. I like the matte here. I think this is a really cute lipstick, so we're gonna go ahead and see how this works. No scent. I always just try to smell the lipsticks. I feel like lipsticks always have like a pretty nice scent, but you know, some people hate scent, so maybe this is a good one for you. So off the bat, this is going on more like a gloss. I don't know, it says a liquid lip, and liquid lips are usually matte, so we're gonna see if this dries down. Well, totally not what I was expecting finish-wise. Like I said, it's very glossy right now. For being a liquid lip, all my liquid lips go on and they're super dry. So we'll check back with formula. If this dries down, if it stays glossy, how it wears. I'm probably gonna give you guys maybe throughout the day like a wear test of the foundation, the lipstick, you know, basically everything on the face here. So yeah, guys, that kind of completes the look of the Ulta haul here. I'm gonna check back throughout the day, give you guys some updates, see how everything's holding up, how the lipstick dries down, if the skin really stays glowy or if it goes completely matte, dries me the hell out. We're gonna check it all out. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next clips. I think I should add this disclaimer here. I just went and like looked at my face here and I just wanted to add a little more highlight. So I dipped my sponge into the highlighter and I literally got such a different finish. So I think that this product just needs a different type of brush technique here. So maybe skip over using an actual brush and just use your beauty blender. Sometimes I find that if there's a different formula for a highlight. So I feel like that gave it a way more intense glow here. So yeah, I felt like I should put that right back in the video since you're like, wait, doesn't she have more highlighter on? Yeah, always. All right, so here's a shot in natural light. I think the foundation actually looks really pretty, so I'm gonna see how it wears. I honestly, like I said, I don't think it's a foundation you'd want to set with powders or anything, but just for an everyday kind of look, hell yeah. Also, the lip, not understanding, it said liquid lip, but it's definitely super glossy. So stay tuned, we will see what happens. Alright, you guys, makeup's been on for about 8 hours. I put it on about 10 today and it's about 6 p.m. Just got home from work. Honestly, my foundation got a lot of compliments today, so I would say that the base held up pretty well. I'm still gonna be really upset if Physicians Formula does totally take away the healthy foundation, but I guess life goes on, can't hold on to it forever. Highlighter looks bomb. Guys, I do not understand this lipstick situation. Held on great, beautifully, held on all day long, but for being a liquid lip, yeah, I mean, I reapplied it like 2 or 3 times. It stayed on so good, but it's very glossy. It's not transfer proof. Yeah, but I mean, I would say I heavily enjoyed the makeup, the lashes, those still look pretty bomb. So I would say Ulta had a good run, and if you're in the mood for some new makeup, definitely check them out. Also, truly love the Morphe setting spray. I thought that was really cool. So just gonna play with that and see how it all works out. So yeah, guys, that is it for my Ulta try-on haul. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos. I personally had a lot of fun making this video because honestly, it gave me a reason to go shop for makeup, and who doesn't like that? And it's just fun trying on new stuff and then just giving you guys a review so you know what to not pick up or what to pick up. So if you guys have any videos in mind that you guys want me to film, please let me know. I can pick up whatever, or I can review whatever, or honestly maybe I even have it in my makeup collection. So let me know what you're looking to see. I have lots of idea videos coming to my head here, and I'm so excited to just be on YouTube and just start doing this. Honestly, I've been wanting to do something like this for a pretty long time. I just had to start it. So yeah, guys, this is the final result. Honestly, I think everything's still really holding up, very pretty. So thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned till next time.